Hello students, let us learn how to find the distance between any 2 points given. So those 2 points may be on a number line or they may be on a Cartesian coordinate system. In this session we are going to learn how to find the distance between any 2 points given on a number line. And from this we are going to make a general formula to find the distance between any 2 points on a number line. To illustrate this, we are going to use a GeoGebra app. So let us start.
Let us consider this horizontal line as a number line. Suppose there are 2 points given on the number line. So let this point be A and there is another point on the number line B. So as we can see, these are the 2 points on the number line
With coordinates 5 and 9. So the coordinate of point A is 5 and coordinate of point B is 9.
To find the distance between them, we are just going to subtract
the smaller coordinate from the larger one.
So here
the coordinate
of point B is larger than that of point A, which is 9,
and the coordinate of A is 5.
So if we just subtract 5 from 9, we get the distance between these two. That is 9 minus 5, that is 4. So this is the distance between these 2 points which are on the number line. So practically also we can measure the distance between these two, that is this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 unit is the distance between point A and point B. So this is the formula by which we can find the distance between any 2 points on a number line.
So from this we can make a general formula to find the distance between any 2 points on a number line. If the coordinate of point A is x1 and coordinate of point B is x2, then
so the distance between these 2 points A and B is AB is equal to x2 minus x1. So by using this formula, we can find the distance between any 2 points which are on the number line.
Only condition is there, x2 must be greater than x1. I hope you understand the concept. Thanks for watching.